Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today Bitcoin is breaking down $42,000 support level, and in today's video we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And here we have already broken out a very big down channel, and we retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and we moved up. But here we have found a very strong resistance, and this has become a key resistance for the price line at $45,000. And I'm expecting once the price line will be able to break it out, we can expect an explosive move. You can see that back here it has been working as a resistance in the month of January 2022, and here it has been working as a support, and here is a support in December 2021, and at the start of December here as well, and here it has been working as a support from August 2021 to September 2021, and here as a resistance. And even before that, we can see here it has been working as a support. Therefore right now it has become again a very strong resistance for the price line. And we are also rejected by this 100 daily simple moving average as well. You can see that this red line is a 100 simple moving average, and there is also another down trend line resistance that is coming from here. Here it was working as a support. Even here it was working as a support. Here as a support. Then it became resistance. And here it worked as a resistance. Here it worked as a resistance. And here now it is again working as a resistance. And now we are breaking down $42,000 support. And we are also breaking down this, we are testing the support of EM at 21. This yellow line is the exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame. Now if we will have the closing on the 4-hourly time frame below $42,000, there will be a high probability that we may test the $40,000 support, and that is very strong support. Here $40,000 has been working as a nice support, and here as a support, and even here and here as a support as well. By the way, $42,000 was also a very strong support, but right now we are sloping down. Now if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart, then we have already seen that we broke out this resistance of an inverse head and shoulder pattern that is exactly at $40,000, and this neckline of head and shoulder pattern can be also another factor that this level of $40,000 will work as a strong support if the price line moves there. Now if we take a look at the $41,000 where the price line is moving right now at that level, then on the small time frame that is working as a nice support in the immediate short term. If I place this trend line here at $41,000, then we can see that recently it has been working as a nice support here, and here as well, and here as well. So it is possible that we may have a reversal move from here after testing this $41,000 level. If we switch to the more small time frame chart, on the hourly time frame chart, by the way, we can see that the price line is likely to start a sideways move. So next few hours are very important for the Bitcoin. If we are breaking down this level, then we are moving down to the very strong support of $41,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.